Hi friends, welcome on YourPedia panel discussion on Airport Authority of India job opportunities. So first of all, congratulations to all of you, those who aspire to be in such wonderful jobs. So this is opportunity, and today this entire panel of YourPedia mentors is going to discuss about how you have to prepare for various job opportunities which have come, and when can be tentative date of exam, and other informations also we are going to provide you related to various jobs which are declared by Airport Authority of India. So there are two main kind of jobs, friends. One is experience based jobs, which they call it as manager. So maximum number of seats are for civil engineers, those who have 3 years of experience in civil engineering. 145 seats are there for you. And then electrical engineers, again 3 years of experience in your domain. So they have not mentioned which domain of civil engineering. Like as civil engineer, if you have worked in any domain for 3 years, you are eligible for this. So that is wonderful opportunity for civil engineers and electrical engineers, and other branches are also there for manager, including operations and all. And then for freshers, there is a job opportunity of junior executive, and for finance, for operations, these kind of options are there. And the biggest pie for junior executive is for operations. All engineering graduates, those who have done engineering, are eligible for that. Those who are going to graduate in this year, they may not be eligible, but all others are eligible. And BSc students, those who are graduating in science, they need to have 2 years of MBA to be eligible for junior executive operations. So YourPedia is going to provide you module for 4 domains. One for managers, civil engineering, manager, electrical engineering, practice question. And let me tell you friends, you do not have previous years as such questionnaire available. But since YourPedia is covering Airport Authority of India exam since 2021, we are the main platform. So from many of our students who got selected, we keep on taking the feedback, and we know what kind of questions will be asked, and we are going to share those things with you in the WhatsApp group. Before I go forward, let me tell you, there is a link of WhatsApp group attached with this video. You can join that WhatsApp. That is a free WhatsApp group where mentors are providing you the information related to the preparation strategies and all. YourPedia is providing you full scale module for junior executive operations and manager operations. We are starting it from 27th of July, that is Monday, and we are going to complete it within a 1 month. So the form filling will start from 8th August till 7th of September. And our past experience suggests us that after 15 days of form filling date is over, exam can be there. That means you can expect exam of Airport Authority of India by the end of September. That is the reason mentors of YourPedia are going to complete this entire module in August itself. 1st September, by 1st September we are going to complete this module. Now over to you, Gurvinder sir. So you are handling this Airport Authority of India module for ATCs, junior executive, managers and all since 2021. So please tell the viewers about this particular opportunity.
So as this discussion is related to sir majority for the operations manager or this junior executive, so we will keep this discussion as of now
related to that only.
Related to that only. So last time this recruitment of operations junior executive came in the month of year of 2021.
Right.
So at that time, as per the syllabus which we will discuss also, which are the topics are there. And one point I'm getting very much queries from the students are related to the ATC. Should we prepare for this exam or not? That if we are targeting ATC, but should we target this or not? So 2-3 points are here I want to discuss. That in the ATC, the job requirement means the eligibility criteria is that you should have studied physics and mathematics in one of the semesters. Here this is not any criteria. So it means that any branch, because there are so many students from private university where they remove this subject, so they are also eligible for this. Whatever B.Tech branch you are in, you are eligible for this thing. Second point is that if you are targeting ATC and if you are eligible for ATC, you should target this thing, because the additional topic, the syllabus which is of ATC is the part of this airport operations, but additional some topic you have to prepare. So if you are preparing for this airport operations, then you are automatically prepared for the ATC. And yesterday only I got from one of the students who got recently selection that by this September first week or this August end, ATC notification is also coming.
Oh, wonderful.
So that is also coming. Near to 400 vacancies.
So they can parallelly prepare.
Yes. So 400 vacancies are coming.
Oh,
they told me recently 400 vacancies are coming there. Now coming to this junior executive operations, sir, module is ready. As whenever we launch any module, either ATC or any other, so we have the recordings of the past batch also of 2021. We have the 100% syllabus covered. Obviously, the topics of management and these terms related to airports, so that you will get the access of the 2021 immediately, and the topics like physics, mathematics, quant, reasoning, English, that of recently covered of 2021 batch, you will get that. So the student who want to cover it, let us suppose in 15 days, 20 days, 1 month or 40 days, immediate you will get the access. And from Monday onwards, we are starting the dedicated live classes also, because there are so many students who want to cover in the form of live, so that there is a discipline and consistency is there for the preparation. So from the Monday, from 27, we are starting the dedicated live classes, and all the 8 components will be covered in this module, sir.
Okay, so Gurinder sir, you are saying that if student purchase the module today, he will get access to all the previous recorded. So he can take today also.
Immediately, yes.
And Monday onward, that means live classes.
Live classes will be
so
there.
he should not wait for Monday. He can take today.
They can start from today only.
Wonderful, friends. I'll also tell you the maybe many of you are not even aware the structure of the paper. So let me tell you the structure. There are 2 papers: paper A, paper B. Paper A, paper B, both are 60 marks, and I'm talking about junior executive operations, and same will be for others also. So there will be minor changes, but it will be same for others also, like manager operations and all. So paper A 60 marks, paper B 60 marks. Paper A has 4 components. One is quantitative aptitude, then second is reasoning, third is general knowledge, which consists larger questions of airport terminologies, and fourth is English. So each component has 15 marks, 15 marks into 4, 60 marks. That is paper A. Paper B is also 60 marks, out of which physics, and then there is a mathematics, and third is principle of business management. So physics has 24 questions, 24 marks, mathematics 24 marks, and 12 marks are for principle of business management. Now I'll discuss with the mentors of all these domains and what is the strategy. So first,
one more point I have to add, because normally student ask this query that what we are going to get in this particular module.
Right.
All details are also mentioned on the website. You can just go to the website. The link is also available in the description of the video. That what you are going to get: immediate access to the live recordings of the last batch of all the components, 100% syllabus, and the live class access from the Monday onward you will get. Second, you will get the recordings of the live class, because this is the main query, sir. Will we get the recording of the live classes or not? You will get the recording of that, and the notes. The teacher which is teaching over there, the PDF notes with the work they have done for your classes, the PDF notes you will get immediately, and the test series also you are going to get in that. Test series, a lot of questions will be there, and in the end, the PDF of the practice questions, ebooks of all the components you will get. So questions, PDF notes, test series, and live classes, they are recording. So this is all you are going to get. So this is a comprehensive module. People ask, sir, do we need to prepare extra out of this? No need to require, and you will not be having the time, because you will get sufficient content to prepare. So this is from my side, sir.
Okay, good. So over to you, Shiva ma'am. So paper A, you have English in that.
Yes,
so please
sir.
tell the viewers about that, ma'am.
Okay, so the weightage of English is 15 marks, and if I have to divide it, there are 4 important components. The very first is grammar, basic grammar, which carries parts of speech, but there are also the prominent topics. How grammar is going to be asked, that would be in the form of fill in the blanks, it would be in the form of error spotting, and also I would mention about direct and indirect. Tenses were not asked in the previous year questions and everything, but these are the 3 important topics which are entirely based on the basic grammar. Then the second important domain is reading comprehension, which carries a huge weightage. 4 marks weightage was there from reading comprehension. You can expect 4 to 5 questions from RC sector. Then is vocabulary, which is again divided into 3 subparts. It was 1 from synonyms, 1 from antonyms, and 1 was from idiom and phrases. So you have to prepare again 1 word substitution in addition, because idiom and phrases are 1 word substitution. They come in parallel, and also I would say synonyms and antonyms, everyday practice is required. So 3 questions were there from vocabulary part. Last, it was jumbled sentences, also called as sentence arrangement. That is, I think there were 2 questions of sentence arrangement, right? So this comprises of all 15 marks. The weightage, I told already about the 4 subparts. Also, I would say that the level of the paper, which I did of the previous year analysis, and also show the video about it, it was like from easy to moderate.
Okay.
The questions were not at all hard level, and you can easily prepare from the basic concepts, some basic rules. If it is about 1 month, English can easily be completed in 15 days.
Okay.
And then it can be a practice set of questions, because in English, what matters the most is vocabulary is a never ending topic. It is not that you have to completely do everything in vocabulary. So I would say that even if you skip that part, now you can easily score 12 out of 15, because if 2 to 3 are the average questions of vocabulary, if you are afraid of that particular segment, though the questions of vocabulary are not hard, if you prepare every day 10 questions, and there is a sublist of 200 I would say vocabulary words, which are prominent, very important for this particular section. So I think there is No hard and fast rules, just go with the basics of the concepts, follow the structure, what are the important topics that need to be targeted, and it can be done easily.
Okay, Shubham, one very frequently asked question from the students is कि 15 में से मेरे कितने मार्क्स आ जाएंगे? How many I can score out of 15?
So as already I told कि 12 is an easy.
You can do it.
Yeah, 12 is कि अगर आपको डर लगता है कि vocabulary टफ हो जाएगी मेरे लिए, right? या मुझे लगता है कि जंबल टफ हो जाएगा, तो आप कोई टॉपिक छोड़ भी सकते हो. The reason I said हम करेंगे सारे टॉपिक्स, लेकिन अगर आप कई बार होता है कि आरसी से डर लगता है, प्रैक्टिस से आ जाती है आरसी, उसके भी एवरेज है 4 क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, आप 2 बहुत इजीली कर सकते हो, 12 तो कहीं भी नहीं गए हैं. बेसिक रूल्स, बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स.
Even if student is not very good in English.
I'm not talking about the proficient people. Proficient तो सर 15 लेंगे फिर, क्योंकि उनके लिए तो 15 है. मैं उनके लिए बात कर रही हूँ स्पेशली फॉर द वंस हु आर नॉट प्रोफिशिएंट इंग्लिश, बिकॉज हेयर प्रोफिशिएंसी इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. फॉर टेक्नोक्रेट्स व्हेनेवर अ पेपर इज कंडक्टेड, बीट पीएसयू, कोई भी पेपर आता है आपका, वहां पे आपकी सिर्फ बेसिक्स चेक होते हैं. आपसे कोई बहुत हार्ड लेवल वाले क्वेश्चंस, नरेशन, ये डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट भी बहुत इजी वाला आया था जिसमें से 4 सब पार्ट से. आई सर रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो, आई आल्सो प्रोवाइड सम मैराथन वीडियोस ऑफ द एंटायर रिकॉर्डिंग्स कि कैसे दे कैन बी इजी फॉर देम आल्सो टू रिव्यू. बट द लेवल इज इजी टू मॉडरेट. 12 इज an easy score to get. Even you can score 15 if you do regular practice. और अगर आप 15 दिन क्लास में ध्यान लगा देते हो, even then you can get I think 12. कहीं भी बाहर से कुछ और पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay, and Shubham, your marathon videos are very popular and helpful for the students.
Right.
Are you planning marathon videos for Airport Authority this year?
So yeah sir, for the same I told कि आज ही PYQ हम कर देंगे इनके लिए कि previous years कैसे आते हैं, उसी के basis पे हम आपको topic wise marathon और questions basis marathon, whichever is going to be helpful for them. I always ask students कि आप comments में बता दिया करो कि कौन से आपको टॉपिक्स और एडिशन चाहिए, तो अकॉर्डिंगली विल प्लान. और वोकैबुलरी दिस वीक आई हैव मस्ट प्लान कि वोकैबुलरी की मैराथन जरूर जानी चाहिए, बिकॉज़ एवरी स्टूडेंट आस्क कि वोकैबुलरी कहां से करनी है. सो आई गिव देम, या आई विल गिव देम सम पार्ट्स एंड हाउ टू लर्न दोस. सो दिस टाइम वोकैबुलरी इज गोइंग टू बी अ न्यू कांसेप्ट एंड दैट वुड बी कवर्ड here.
Wonderful. So over to you, Manpreet ma'am. So your domain is reasoning, aptitude, both. Yes ma'am. So please tell.
So yes, part A includes quant as well as reasoning. In the quant, if we talk about the weightage, so quant includes 15 questions as well as reasoning also includes 15 questions. So it means quant and reasoning, aptitude as well as reasoning include 30 questions in the total weightage. Okay. So now if we talk about the reasoning, so in the reasoning it includes verbal as well as non-verbal reasoning. It means there are questions which are based on the statement as well as some questions which are related to the figures that was included and also maybe included in the future time period in the reasoning. Okay students, so now if we talk about the level of the exam in the reasoning and quant section, okay, so the questions are from the easy to moderate side. Most of the questions are on the easy side. In the reasoning part mostly questions are on the easy side. Okay, quant mein there are some questions which are on the easy side and some questions which are on the moderate side, but हाँ difficult लेवल जो नहीं होगा यहाँ पे, हार्ड लेवल आपको देखने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा. ऐसा क्यों बोला जा रहा है? So the reason is that कि PYQs based on the basis of the PYQs we can analyze that कि जो questions का level रहता है ना वो moderate side तक ही जाता है, but most of the time easy side ही रहेगा. So जो होता है PYQs it will be on the structured based, right? तो जो आपने PYQ से प्रैक्टिस अगर आप करते हो तो आपको जो यहाँ पे देखने के लिए मिलेगा तो उनका जो स्ट्रक्चर रहता है वो वेल एस्टेब्लिश रहता है, तो उसमें कोई ज़्यादा आपको चेंज देखने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा. सो हमें क्या करना है, जस्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट्स एंड आफ्टर दैट वी जस्ट हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट थ्रू द टेस्ट एज वेल एज मॉक टेस्ट. ठीक है, तो उसकी प्रैक्टिस हम वहाँ से करेंगे. एंड इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट कि सिलेबस कितने टाइम में फिनिश होगा, सो इन अराउंड 1 month वी विल कवर क्वांट एज वेल एज रीजनिंग, अगर पैरेलली लेके दोनों को चलते हैं. ठीक है, so in 1 month time period we just covered 15 to 20 topics related to the quant as well as reasoning section. Okay, yes, important points, 1 month sufficient है syllabus cover करने के लिए in both sections as well as 15 to 20 topics आपके रहते हैं reasoning में भी और quant में भी. and हमारा मंडे से मॉड्यूल जो है वो लॉन्च होने जा ही रहा है, उसके बारे में सर ने आपको बताया ही है. सो ऑन दैट बेसिस अगर आप प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करते हो इन अगस्त टाइम पीरियड वी विल कवर द होल सिलेबस.
Okay, so again, Manpreet ma'am, like Shubha ma'am is going to make a marathon. I think all mentors can do that also in your topics also. Yeah.
Yes sir, हाँ, we will do that one. हम मैराथन सेशन भी लाएंगे एंड इसके साथ साथ PYQs डिस्कशन भी रहेगी, so that students will aware about that कि क्वेश्चन आते कैसे हैं और लेवल कितना रहता है.
Okay,
both
friends,
sections.
at the end I'm going to ask Gurinder sir about the cutoff which you should target for this particular exam, but what I feel is this is a very, very competitive exam in the sense that it is the first choice of the students. They want Airport Authority of India exam, and operations is a very, very, you know, good job profile for you. So it is gonna be competitive, and try to score in each component like English, quant, aptitude, physics, maths, general management, general knowledge, everywhere try to score more than 80%. That has to be there, though cutoff I am going to discuss with Gurinder sir. And second is it is not that syllabus is not very huge and predictable hai. I mean since 2021 you see that same kind of questions are asked and everything is same since 2021. So you start preparing immediately, and I have published one video with one of the selected students who said that I prepared in 10 days and cracked the exam. So that he is not telling lie, that is a fact, because you know everything is well established, like the kind of questions you are going to get. So pattern is well fixed pattern for you. So start preparing so that you do not waste even a single day. And as Gurinder sir said that there is a hope we get 400 plus ATC jobs very soon. So your preparation is going to be same as for maths and physics and all. So Rajiv sir, your domain is physics, and physics is of 11th. We divided in 11th class, 12th class. So tell the viewers about physics, how they can prepare.
Sir, I have PYQ 2021. I was analyzing, and I see one thing that there are 24 questions and equally weighted, sir. 11 questions, 11 to 12 questions from the 11th class, and 11 to 12 approximate from the 12th class. So usually a student think, sir, 12th class is more important and I have to require electrostatics and all that. But the question has been asked from both the segments.
Yes.
11th physics as well as 12th physics. But one more thing, sir. Usually when we think about the physics, sir, a student think, okay, I am going to take the SC Verma book and start reading all the topic and I will crack the exam. I will think, sir, that is totally wastage of time, sir.
Yes.
Because the level of that exam is not much more tougher as like IIT exam. So a student don't need to prepare much more depth. You have to be just known about the basics, and after that you will be able to solve the question. Very soon, sir, I will give the analysis of PYQ and their solution. After that the student will analyze, okay, yeah, question is very easy. If they have knowledge, they have touched the topic, they could be able to solve, sir.
Wonderful. So as per you, 11th or 12th में segregation नहीं करना है. We have to prepare the topics, and so that you never know from where they can ask more questions, and you have to prepare. Difficulty level, sir, we have exams like NEET, JEE, we have exams like board exams. Where do you think physics ka difficulty level?
Sir, I think since sir, that guys are B.Tech, all that, na, so level is not much more tougher, sir.
Okay.
I cannot say very easy. You are not going to read and again you are going to crack the exam, no. But moderate, sir, moderate to easy, shifted towards the easy. And one more thing, sir, usually sir, mechanical student have strong in the 11th portion because mechanics, thermodynamics, fluid, all they have read in the college level. So they have to be more focused on the 12th portion more.
Yes.
And the same time, sir, things are electrical from there. Electrical, they are basically more strong in the 12th physics.
Yes.
Electrostatics is there, ray optics is there, that all are.
Okay.
So they have to be more focused in the 11th part.
Okay, so very important point, friends. You have 1 month, let us say you have 1 month for preparation. You are a mechanical engineer. First 15 days focus on 12th class physics, electrostatics, magnetism, optics, focus on that. If you are from electronics, electrical background, focus on mechanics for first 15 days. Why I am saying that is because as the days will keep on passing and the exam will come near to you, pressure is more on you. So as of now, for first 15 days, there will be no pressure. So revising something in which you are not very strong makes sense in first 15 days. Please do that, friends. And as the days will go, after 15 days, once you have done the topics in which you are not very confident, like you are 11th, you are mechanical engineers, you have done 12th class physics, then after 15 days you will be confident in your own domain. That is how the strategy you have to keep it, and a lot of practice will be done. So Rajiv sir, इस बार कुछ नया, something new?
Yes sir, last time जब हमने एग्जाम कवर किया था, एक बहुत मैंने गौर किया लड़का को, लास्ट में दिक्कत तो सर फार्मूला ही भूल गया मैं, इतना सारा पढ़ा, अब इतना सारा मेरे पास है, मैं भूल जा रहा हूँ. इसलिए सर इस साल मैं पहले से प्लान कर रहा हूँ कि एक शीट दे देता हूँ उसको फार्मूला की, जितना भी मेरे फिजिक्स में है, जो भी सब्जेक्ट में, एक इसको शीट दे दूंगा, इसको बोलूंगा सोने से पहले डेली इसको देखा करो, अपने पास रखो, सोने से पहले एक बार गो थ्रू हो जाओ, और ये एट द लास्ट आपको बहुत फायदा करेगा. आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा हमारे पास इतना पढ़ना है, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन जो है सर फार्मूला बेस्ड है. अगर उसको फार्मूला मिल जाए तो मुझे लगता है लड़का अच्छा से कर लेगा, बस उसको अप्लाई करना आना चाहिए. तो ये मैं इस बार करने वाला हूँ सर, फार्मूला दे दूंगा और डे टू डे मैं उसको बोलूंगा रिवाइज करते रहो, एट द लास्ट ये अच्छा कर पाएगा.
Wonderful. So every topic as Rajiv Rajiv sir said he will be providing you a sheet where formulas will be there, and physics mein questions are not in-depth question friends, they are formula based, direct substitution formula based questions are asked. So if you are given all the formulas sheet wise, then it is easy for you to revise and remember on daily basis. So 30 days, 30 sheets, all the syllabus, entire syllabus will be covered. Over to you Dushyant sir for mathematics.
राइट सर, अगर मैं मैथमेटिक्स की बात करूँ सर, मैथमेटिक्स में मोस्टली उसने जो फोकस किया हुआ प्रोबेबिलिटी के ऊपर फोकस किया है, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, कैलकुलस वाला पार्ट आप कह सकते हो, ज़्यादा फोकस कैलकुलस पर रहा है, एंड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो रहेगा वो 3D ज्योमेट्री है। 3D ज्योमेट्री से अराउंड 4 to 5 क्वेश्चंस मैंने देखे हैं जो आए हैं आउट ऑफ 24। सो मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस यही वाला पार्ट है जहाँ से उसने मोस्टली क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं। ज्योमेट्री वाला पार्ट भी थोड़े क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस के 1-2 क्वेश्चंस मैंने देखे हैं जो लास्ट ईयर में आए हैं। तो ये वाला पार्ट है जहाँ पे मैथमेटिक्स में हमें फोकस करना है। और जैसा कि आप जानते हैं सर, लास्ट ईयर से हम लोग काफ़ी 2021 से एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी के लिए पढ़ा रहे हैं,
राइट।
तो अपने पास सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ कंटेंट पहले से ही अवेलेबल है, सारी प्रिपरेशन हम लोगों ने पहले ही करी हुई है। तो राइट, आपको रिकॉर्डिंग्स पहले से ही मिल जाएंगी कि जो लास्ट ईयर में हम लोगों ने पढ़ाया हुआ है। एंड नया जो हम लोग ऐड करेंगे इस बार यही रहेगा कि मेनली जो फॉर्मूला, क्योंकि इसमें जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं मेनली वो फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। आपको वो फॉर्मूला कैसे अप्लाई करना है वो क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस के थ्रू आपको आएगा। तो फॉर्मूला, देन उसके रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस, देन फॉर्मूला, देन उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन। तो ऐसे हम लोग इस मॉड्यूल को कवर अप करते चलेंगे ताकि 30 डेज में हम लोग कंप्लीट मैथमेटिक्स कवर कर पाएं इसका।
Okay, wonderful. So every mentor is telling about 30 days in which we have to complete it friends. So that is, I think, not a difficult task. We are doing it since 2021 and it can be done. And if ATC comes, even better for you. So anything else Guru sir, we have left it?
So you talked about the cutoff, sir.
Uh,
So in the ATC last recruitment for general category,
okay.
the cutoff was 109
Oh.
out of 120.
Oh.
So 2 things are clear from this. First, paper is easy. Second, competition is very high.
Yes.
So same is going to happen in this thing. And in this case of airport operations, more students will apply as compared to ATC. No doubt number of vacancies are less, but if somebody want to prepare for the ATC, they will obviously apply for the airport operations because more vacancies are coming. And the branches, the students which were not eligible for ATC are going to apply for this airport operations. Second point, there is one post of manager operations. So there the experience is required of the airport operations only. So it means ki if you get selection in junior this executive operations, then only you will be eligible for further manager operations. So this is very important for you, and you can check the CTC. I think it varies from 14 lakh for the junior executive and I think 20 lakh for the this manager post. So this is there, and what else is left? And one more thing, the discussion which we have done for the, especially for this airport operations paper, that is for the 2021. So 5 years gap about the there's a lot of things changed in the ATC also from 2021 to 2026. A lot of things changed in the physics, mathematics, and mentors. These are the mentors only. They are teaching right from the 2021, and they have the exact idea that how the things has been involved and how the things have been changed. So you are going to get exactly that precise module, very precise content, which is going to help you to crack this particular exam.
Okay, and friends, 2 topics I'm going to take other than some topics of physics obviously. One is part A GK. It is called general knowledge, but actually out of 15 questions, 12 questions are from air aviation terms, airport terms. Very simple, easiest to score because we know what are the terms, and 12 questions out of 15 are going to be from there. It is not like general knowledge, though some questions of Harappan civilization also I saw. Out of 15, 3 questions are open-ended, I mean anything can be asked, but 12 questions are well defined air aviation terms that we will discuss, that we will do. And second topic, second thing I will teach you is the principles of business management, that is part B, and that 12 questions will come, and that is general principle of management theories. So that is what I'm going to cover for you friends, and these are the easiest domains from where you can score. So 12 questions of principle of business management and 15 questions of GK. So my domain 27 exclusive domain. So in any case 22 out of 27 or 22 to 25 you can score on the basis of the content which will be provided to you. So let's start preparing in that way. So sir, if 400 seats come of ATC, let's say in next within a month or so, are they going to utilize your same module for that? Are you planning something like that?
6 months validity
is there.
6 months validity.
And exam तो हो ही जाता है.
हाँ, exam इतनी देर में हो जाता है. So 6 months validity will be there.
Okay.
So if you're targeting ATC, things are same. Then you can utilize this exam because there are so many candidates who are joining for the ATC module regularly. Regularly they join for the recorded, but they ask for the live classes.
Wonderful.
But in this module you will get the live classes and the recording as well.
Okay friends, so this was the panel discussion. YourPedia mentors will be visible on channels, YouTube channels with a lot of videos, and nothing can be better platform than YourPedia to prepare for this particular exam. So we look forward to serve you friends further, and our module is going to start from 27th, that is Monday, but it is in technically it is available. You can go purchase the module and start learning. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you.